Hi guys, it's Mrs. Santiago here, and I wanted to do a video for page 6, Las Frutas, in your OneNote notebook. We're going to take the notes for fruit, and then I will pop the video right here on top of the notes page so you have it available. So again, we are in chapter 6, Food and Meals. We are on page 6, Las Frutas, Notes. I'm going to hide the table of contents so that I can make my page pretty big so that you'll be able to read it easily. And we're going to go through all of them, and I will write in the ones that are needed. So the ones that we are writing in are the most popular ones. So the boxes are always going to have an extra interior box with rounded corners for the category of the food that we're learning. So this one, the category is Las Frutas. The first fruit that we're learning is La Naranja. La Naranja. In Puerto Rico, we call this La China. La China. The one to the right of La Naranja is La Mansana. I try to remember that the man goes crazy for apples. Man, zany. So Mansana. So far we've got Las Frutas, La Naranja, La Manzana. Okay, let's go up a little. Next row, Las Cerezas, Las Cerezas. Now the next one has two words that can be used. We have El Durazno and El Melocotón. El Durazno and El Melocotón. Hi guys, it's Mrs. Santiago here, and today I'm going to do a video to help you complete your visual notes page for the fruits in Spanish. You can see that we are in your OneNote, chapter 6, page 6, Las Frutas Notes. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents so that all we see is the notes page. Now in the space above this, we're going to pop in the video that I'm making right now. So again, it's Página 6, Las Frutas Notes. So the first box has a double box on it. So while we're taking our food vocabulary notes, you'll notice that every time we have a new category, you're going to have a blue rounded outline inside of the actual box. So this category is called Las Frutas. Las Frutas. Yeah, you should be repeating them with me while we're writing them just to make sure you know what they are. Las Frutas, that's a cognate. The next one over is La Naranja. La Naranja. In Puerto Rico, we call it La China. La China. Naranja should remind you of the color anaranjado. The next one over is called La Manzana. I always remember the man is zany for apples. La Manzana. The second row, we have Las Cerezas. Las Cerezas. In the middle, we have El Durazno. El Durazno. Another word that you'll see for peach is El Melocotón. El Melocotón. Next, we have La Pera. It's a cognate. La Pera. So far we have Las Frutas, La Naranja, La Manzana, Las Cerezas, El Durazno, El Melocotón, La Pera. Let's go up again. Then we have Los Guineos or Las Bananas. You will see both words used for what we would call banana. Los guineos, las bananas. The next one is las uvas. And you can have uvas in different colors. Here we have uvas negras, uvas verdes, uvas rojos, uvas morados. A lot of options for uvas. The next one is las fresas. Las fresas. On the next row, we have la piña. Looks like the beginning of the word that we use. La piña. Notice that's a tilde over the end. La piña. El mango. El mango. Cognate. Los arándanos azules. Los arándanos azules. And that is the end of the first page. Let's review them. So we've got las frutas, la naranja, la manzana, las cerezas, el durazno, el melocotón, la pera, los guineos, las bananas, las uvas, las fresas, la piña, el mango, los arándanos azules. On to page 2. First we have la lima, that's a cognate, la lima. The next one, la sandia, it's a type of melon. I always remember that if I eat watermelon on the beach, it gets sandy, la sandia. The next one over is el melón, and I know there's different melons. You can have el melón anaranjado or el melón verde. We might say el melón honeydew or el melón cantaloupe. Okay, the next row, we're going to start with el limón, cognate, la papaya, la ciruela. You know that I don't like to put the English in, but I'm going to put the English here just to make sure that you know what those are. Okay, those are plums. La ciruela are plums. Okay, let's practice the first 2 rows. We've got la lima, la sandia, el melón, el limón, la papaya, la ciruela. Let's do the next row. Nothing to write in on this one, just learn them. Las frambuesas, el kiwi, la toranja. Toranja is like agria. Okay, agria. In English, what do you say? You say sour, right? Whenever I eat a grapefruit, I have to put sugar on the top of it before I eat it. And our last row, we have 2 to write in. So in Spanish, we have a special banana. It's larger and harder. It's called el plátano. El plátano. It's really eaten and used more like a vegetable. You can peel it when it's green and not ripe. You can boil it, mash it, eat it like a boiled potato. Or you can wait until they turn yellow, and then the name for them is actually an amarillo, and they are actually sweet at that point. To the right, one of my favorite fruits, el aguacate. I am a definite lover of avocados. I like them in every way possible. El aguacate. And the last one, I always call it a little bit controversial. Some people put it in the vegetables, but really, el tomate is a fruit because of its seeds. El tomate. Let's practice all of those on page 2. We have la lima, la sandia, el melón, el limón, la papaya, la ciruela, las frambuesas, el kiwi, la toranja, el plátano, el aguacate, y el tomate. If you have any questions about any of those vocab words, please let me know. Otherwise, use these notes now when you go to fill out the homework for tonight, which is to categorize the fruits by where they grow. Los árboles, la mata, or los arbustos. Gracias.